Becoming an outstanding manager. Becoming an outstanding manager is a journey that requires a combination of strong leadership skills, emotional intelligence, and a genuine commitment to empowering and motivating your team. By mastering the art of effective communication, strategic decision making, and fostering a positive work culture, you can unlock your team's full potential and drive your business to new heights of success. Developing effective leadership skills. Self awareness. Understand your strengths, weaknesses, and leadership style. This self awareness will help you adapt your approach to better suit your team's needs. Effective communication. Develop the ability to clearly articulate your vision, provide constructive feedback, and actively listen to your team. Effective communication is the foundation of strong leadership. Decision making. Cultivate the skill to make timely, well informed decisions that consider the big picture. Demonstrate the courage to make tough choices when necessary. Empowering and motivating your team. Empower. Foster a culture of trust and autonomy where team members feel empowered to take ownership of their work and make decisions. Provide the resources and support they need to succeed. Motivate. Understand what drives and inspires your team members and create an environment that nurtures their passion and helps them grow. Recognize and celebrate their achievements. Develop. Invest in your team's professional development by offering training, mentorship, and opportunities for growth. Empower them to explore new skills and take on challenging projects. Driving continuous improvement. Foster a culture of innovation. Encourage your team to think creatively, challenge the status quo, and propose new ideas. Celebrate small wins and learn from failures. Embrace feedback. Actively solicit feedback from your team and customers and use it to identify areas for improvement. Be open to constructive criticism and use it to drive positive change. Continuously adapt. Stay agile and responsive to changing market conditions, customer needs, and industry trends. Adapt your strategies and processes to ensure your business remains competitive. Lead by example. As an outstanding manager, you must embody the values and behaviors you expect from your team. Set the tone and lead by example to inspire your team to achieve greatness.